Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be doing an unboxing video and my first impression of this Redragon Sniper Pro wired and wireless gaming mouse. So first, let's check the box. A barcode here. Sa side niya wala. Then here's some specifications. And here is nakalagay dito yung package content, system requirements, and unit approximate size and weight. Now let's open the box. User manual and sticker. Of course, meron din tayong USB Type-C na cord for charging and if you want to use it wired. Meron din tayong nano receiver and with nakalagay na Redragon. Nice. Now for the main event, meron tayong ito na yung mouse. Ayan. Okay, for the back, meron tayong on, off, and echo mode. And meron tayong Teflon pad for fast and smooth sliding. Here, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Yung sensor niya, then mode switch. And of course, yung logo ng Redragon. And you can put here yung nano receiver. And it won't fall kasi may magnet siya. So nice. So let's now turn it on. So yan, yung RGB niya is starting here all the way here. So yan. Also may RGB din here sa logo niya. And of course meron ding RGB here. So yan, nice. Here guys, dito yung DPI adjustment button. Kung gusto nyo i-increase or decrease. Scroll wheel. Dito din makita indication ng battery life nyo. Here is the fire button. Then on the left side, this is forward, backward, and shift. Now from the right side, wala na siya. Yan. Also, if you're wondering kung okay ba siya sa different type ng texture ng mousepad, so currently ito yung cloth. So okay naman siya, smooth, maganda sa feeling. Now, let's go sa metal mousepad. Okay din yung feeling niya, smooth din. Maganda rin sa feeling. Mas smooth lang tong metal mousepad compared sa cloth. Pero hindi naman ganun kalaki yung difference. So guys, ito na yung software ng Redragon. Na-download ko siya sa Redragon USA. So send ko na lang yung link sa description. So, meron tayong main, advanced, macro, and lighting. So, sa main, nakikita niyo yung key setting. So, pwede nyo palitan yung mga function ng button. Tapos, meron din USB polling rate, then battery. Sa advanced, yung DPI, pwede nyo palitan. Yung lowest is 100, then yung highest is 16,000. Mouse sensitivity, scrolling speed, and double click speed. Now, here's a macro. I don't know how to use this, pero I believe, I don't know, basta yan, may macro siya. Then, of course, sa lighting, sa LED effect, mayroong steady, respiration, and streaming. Then, for logo effect, may steady, respiration, and neon. You can also change yung color sa steady, then sa neon, fix na siya. So, yan. Also, you can import and export profile kung may nagawa na kayo, pero hindi siya i-import. So yun na yung setting, yun na yung software ng mouse. So yun guys, satry ko siya sa Valorant yung gamit tong mouse na to. And wala ka na experience sa delay, smooth yung pag-glide niya talaga, and hindi ako na sumakit yung kamay ko. Kahit matagal ka maglalaro, feel ko talagang hindi ka mahihirapan or maangalay agad-agad. Kasi ang ganda, kasi ano mo talaga, ma-rest mo yung palm mo, yung kamay mo dito sa mouse na to. As you can see, ma-rest mo yung thumb mo dito, and also yung fingers mo, and also this one, yung ring finger mo, ma-rest mo siya. So, okay siya for pang matagalan na laruan, tsaka pag magawa kayo ng homeworks, okay siya. So yun guys, doon na po nagtatapos ang ating video. Sana nakatulong sa inyo to kung balak bumili ng Sniper Pro or naghahanap kayo ng wireless mouse. So yun guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below kung mga katanungan pa kayo sa product na to. Bye!